It's hot. And then I'll put it higher. It sounds good to you? And it's hot. Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and hi. So I'm totally back. I am feeling good. I'm actually very happy and excited because I have finally been certified. So I can say that I am a certified makeup artist. So that's like cray cray. Does it mean that I am the most spectacular makeup artist in the world? Certainly does not, because even after you get your certification, you have to keep practicing, and that is definitely something I need to do. So I'm just really excited about that. So yeah, I built up my website if you're interested in taking a look at it. Very simple website to start out. It's joannaandino.com, and I will also put the link below to the website. Ordered me some business cards. So really excited about that. Again, also very nervous because I still have to practice. I still have to improve. You know, the class was basically, you know, an essentials class, which is pretty much the beginning of class and touching the fundamentals of makeup and mixing and colors and all that stuff. But I'm glad that I was able to become certified, so now I can really do what I want to do. Full-time, no, because, you know, mama needs to eat. You know, so I got to keep my 9 to 5 until I start building up a clientele and I really start perfecting, you know, what I want to do. But yeah, so just happy about that. I just want to share that with you guys. And also I am super duper happy because I just got home and look at what was at my door. I'm so happy, so excited. So I'm just going to open it up and show you the products. Last month I wasn't really happy with the products. Wasn't so excited about it, so I'm hoping that this month is better. I honestly don't remember what's in the box, so if anything, that'll be a little more exciting at the fact that I don't remember what I'm supposed to be getting. So I'm gonna go into the box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Controlate, okay? Okay, so here is the Boxycharm little card that they always send. All the products are on the back. Ew, I see some nice things. Okay. I'm gonna go according to what I see in the box. Okay, so this is the first thing that is right on top of my box. I'm just gonna lay the box here because I do not have my table out today. So this is the first thing that's like right on top of my box. I think the lighting is like too light, right? No, I'm gonna keep it that way. Okay, so this is from, I guess I'm just gonna spell it P-Y-T because I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a mini turbo on the go dryer. Retail value is $85. Mini turbo on the go, portable, powerful, lightweight, easy to use. It decreases drying time, reduces frizz, locks in moisture, blah 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 blah. So let's see how it looks. I do think I remember asking for this. I don't know, whatever, we'll see. All right, so here it is. Oh, it's so cute. It's in purple. Oh crap. Oh, that little diffuser. But anyway, so here is the blow dryer. This is so cute. This is the cutest little thing. I wonder, I kind of want to just like try it out now. I mean, even though my hair is dry, but so it has like the little piece on it. What you heard for was like the little diffuser, you know, you put to diffuse the hair or whatever. Should I get it so that I can show you? Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, here it is. The other little piece. This is so cute. It's so adorable and it feels so nice. Feels nice and sturdy. Does not feel cheap at all. So this is a really, really great start. All right. Okay, because I dropped it on the floor. So the next product, let me just go. I'm just going into what I see here. Is this supposed to have a top? Yes, it is. Here it is. Okay. So, okay, well, this is from Living Proof, and this is the Living Proof Full Day Volume Blast. Full blah 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 styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. Offers UV protection, silicone free for colored and chemically treated hair. Retail value is $29. So this is a styling and finishing spray. Don't really think I've tried something like this, so that'll be interesting. So next product, okay, so this is the next product that came out. I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, this is, oh, it's Tristique, and it is Good Vibes Mascara. It's just so big and bulky that I thought it was like a little, you know, like those little machines to like take out your nose hairs. It says treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, volume, fun, blah, blah, blah. All-in-one lash curler tool. Lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need. Take your lashes to the next level. And the price of this is $25. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It says flip down to, I don't know, listen. Please don't send me complicated products because I have issues. But okay, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, you unscrew. Oh, okay. Wow, this is a. Do you see how big this is? Gee willikers. So here is the wand. Jeez. Okay, now what? So. Oh. Oh. Okay. Look, I'm free. Oh. I had a blonde moment, y'all. Look, this is like a lash curler. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. So it's a lash curler, and then when you unscrew it is the mascara. Okay. Oh, well, that's interesting. Not bad. I'm not mad at that. Okay, so let's go into the next product. I think I remember getting that I was gonna get this. I was remembering that I was gonna get this. So this is from Touch and Soul, and this is the No Problem Prime Essence. So let your makeup stay, blah blah blah. Officinalis, what? Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth. So retail value is $23. So that's interesting. Always can try out some new primer. So here is how it looks. Very cute. Let's see, unscrew. Oh, look at that. Applicator is clear. Just want to see. Oh, so this is, it smells like nothing. So this is the primer. Very clear, runs a little bit. This definitely is serum-like. And again, it's, you know what? It has like the slightest scent, but it's like barely noticeable. It's like barely noticeable. I don't even think I smell it anymore, but it feels really nice. Wow, it really does feel nice. It really feels like a serum. I like it. Am I noticing any blurring? Is there any blurring that you see? It's over here. Listen, I don't know. I watch those things from QVC. Alright, so next product. And this is from, okay, so the next product is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. It says powered by a bionic balancing complex. Biotic. Did I say that right? Yes. Prebiotic, multitasking, cleansing yogurt, melts away grime, makeup, and oil for the skin to be hydrated, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so cleanser, very excited to try this out because I love cleansers. Retail value is $35. So that's going to be interesting. I just started a new cleanser so from Glam Glow, so this is going to take me a while before I get to this, but I will get to it. Oh, yes, a palette. Okay. So this is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. Let me see. Yes, Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3. Meet your new everyday staple. 6-shade Tarteist blah blah blah. Streak free, fade please, blah blah. Highlighter, bronzer. Retail value is $45. So I want to go into this because you can always use some nice blushes. But you know, in my opinion, I always find that highlighters and palettes are never as blinding as I want them to. I don't know if that's just me, but anyway, so here is the palette right here. Just gonna open it up for you. Ew, okay, so here are the colors. I'm gonna take that off so that you can see. Okay, so obviously these are the blushes, these are the highlighters, and These are the bronzers. So they look nice. Highlighters are okay. I guess we'll give it a whirl. Hopefully you can see that. Those are the two highlighters. Ooh, doesn't smell like anything. I'll give it a shot. Looks interesting. I'll give it a shot. All right, and let's see what else. There's 3 more products here. Ooh, well, one I see is from Pharmacy. Oh, I like Pharmacy. I absolutely love the cleanser that they provided with the honey. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with that cleanser. So this is also from Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum, and I'm so excited about that. I love serums. I love facial oils. It's a 3-in-1 night serum. Resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA and BHA gentle flower acids. Blah, blah, blah. Smooth complexion. Look at pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Retail value is $58. So I'm going to open this up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love trying out new facial stuff. Yay! So here is the product. Listen, you need to focus, okay, camera? Thank you. I'll give this, see. Oh, okay, you're un-thingamajigging it. Okay, this is an interesting applicator. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. But I guess that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna try this out. Love that. Okay, and what else? I have 2 more products because this is the Boxyluxe. I don't know if I said it in the beginning. It's my Boxyluxe. Okay, so this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I do like their eyeshadows. Dominique Cosmetics, oh yes, the Lemonade Lip Gloss. Hydrating shine, blah, blah, blah. Wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. Retail value is $17. So I got Peach Tea. That is the color of the gloss that I got. So this is the color. This is very cute. Let's swatch this. Okay. So this is a very light peachy gloss. I don't expect anything crazy about it because it is a gloss. So this will be nice for a nice sheer if you want to go for a nice sheer look, or if you want to put it over your lipstick. And I think this is the last product finally. Oh yeah, so this is the last product, and this is from Skin & Co. And this is the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. It says, well, it's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend, blah, blah, blah. Miracle Dew, yeah, yeah, yeah. Antioxidant-rich, soothing, detoxifying botanicals like black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, yeah, yeah, yeah. Refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Retail value is $35. So, very interesting. I want to see if it has some type of scent. Yes, it does. It smells actually kind of minty. So if you're into that, I actually like minty, spearminty, smelly things. So if you're into that, you'll enjoy that. If you're not, well, then what can I tell you? So, alrighty guys. So these are the products in my Boxyluxe box. So, my thoughts. I was definitely more excited about this box than last month's box. So thank you, Boxycharm, for not letting me down. So I know once in a while you might get, you know, a product that you're not crazy about. I guess that's what happened to me last month. But this month, I'm definitely liking my box more. And I'm actually excited to try all the products except the Proof, the dry volume thing. That's like maybe the bottom of the list of things that I care about. I guess I'll try it, you know, because I have it, but I don't care. Everything else I liked a lot, so yay! So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be here very, very soon with a new video. Adios!